Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Market up or down? The market is down today. Notice the green candle. That doesn't matter. It's down from the previous close. That's how we measure it. Let's check out the brokerage account. You can see a lot of our buy orders did fill. So let's go through the spreadsheet and make sure we get everything updated correctly. EIX 53.90 on the buy. And we got a little bit of a bargain here. So let's go ahead and update that. MUR 26.57. Got a bargain here as well. This is why we go through and double check. UPS 113.04. Look at that. Now our sell price will be roughly where we were trying to buy. We have CMCSA $33. Got a bargain there as well. As you can see, the market started with the gap down. So we got a bargain on all of our buys. All right. We have this UPS here, but we're going to hang out. We have $610. Next step is to go to the screener. We're trying to buy stocks that we already own from smallest to largest. So MUR, CMCSA, and Dino is where we'll start. Here's MUR. We're just trying to make sure it still fits the system. You can see here dividends, low debt, and PEs are reasonable. So 25.55 on the closing print. Try to keep position sizing to 1% of the total account, but without using partial shares. So we'll get that one in there. We need to go ahead and cancel our sell order. Remember, we still have 3 day trades you can see up here. And we're just going to use them in order. We're not trying to worry about which is the biggest stock or the most money or anything like that. Because I got other things to do today. So we need to get this done and move on with our day. So we're going to do a round trip order. We're going to buy 1. First triggers a second. And sell 2, right? Nice and easy, but we actually have something to discuss here. 25.55 on the closing print. Don't use your brokerage price. Use your brain and figure it out for yourself. So you add these up, divide by 2, that'll get you your average price times 1.01. So pause the video, do that math for yourself. Make sure you understand how we're getting where we're going. And I'm going to go ahead and just keep grinding through. If you need more repetition, go back and watch some of the older videos. We do the same process for the last 2 years. So you can get repetition. And that's how you speed up your learning curve, by going back in time in the stock market. All right, got $584. Back to the screen here. CMCSA is here. Looks like we don't have Dino, so then we'll go back to the spreadsheet and see what's next. We've got dividends. Debt is high, but under 4. And reasonable PEs, 33.19. So it actually went up, but it didn't hit the sell target. Market is down. We're just following the system. So don't overthink this thing. You say, oh, well, that one's up, so I'm just going to go to the next one because it's going to sell out. Well, you don't know that. And if it's got good upward momentum, wouldn't you want to make double the money? Come on, man. All you got to do in the stock market is get out of your own way mentally, because it's not difficult. People make it difficult. First trigger's a second. This will be potentially our second day trade. Again, buying 1, selling 2. Nice and easy. Add these up, divide by 2. That's the average times 1.01. Do that math. Alright. Limit order, always good till canceled, extended hours. I don't know if I got that on the last one. I'm still half asleep. But we're making time for what's important. $33.13 on the fill, so we got a favorable fill there. It's nice. I'll get that updated. Day. See, I got it messed up. 25, 55, 26.32. We'll get this going here, and try it again. Repetition is the mother of skill, so this extra rep will just help us. All right, 25, 55. And then we'll go back here and double check. I just don't want to mess nothing up. $26.32. All right. This night shift is really hard. Limit order is good till cancel with extended hours. Ship that and go to our next one on the list, which is UPS. Here on the list as well. Remember, this is prioritized over the universe, over my favorite stock, the one I've never traded before but want to try it. It's just a basic plain system. You can see the dividend, debt is high but under our limits, and the PE still fit the system. 111.29 for Brown getting it done. Remember, once we have the money deployed into the market, then it's pretty much on autopilot, right? This will be potentially our last day trade. So let's go ahead and get this going here. Oh, we didn't have a sell order for UPS. Right. Computer's running a little slow as usual. I'll get a new one eventually. But while it's working, we'll work it. So first share is a second again. One share. You notice the system is always this. Come on, man. It's always the same process. Consistency is the key. It's not very exciting, but it works. Like we're trading up in the after hours. That's why we use chart here. 111.29. That's correct. So add these up, divide by 2. That gets the average. Take that number times 1.01, and you're in. Now everything else will be going a little faster because we'll be out of potential day trades. Limit orders good till cancel with extended hours. Set it and forget it. Mind you, still have money. We have $440. As we go through here, we have EIX, POR, and OMC. So let's go back to the screener. EIX. There it is. All right. Dividends. Debt is high, but under our limits. PE is good. 52.44 EIX. I'm not worried that this thing keeps going down. This still fits all the parameters of the system. So you can see here we have multiple shares. This is good repetition. This is good to share with you folks. Hopefully y'all are paying attention. Gonna add these up, divide by 5 since there's 5 of them. To get us the average, take that number times 1.01. Oh no, we're out of day trades, so 52.44, but that's how we get the sell price, right? Y'all know that. Except for those that are new, but if you're new, go check the old stuff out. It will help you. Just doing buy orders now. I can get all these pop-ups out of my way. All right, 52.44, closing print. Limit order, good till cancel, extended hours. So I'm a little foggy. I don't get much sleep on night shifts. That's how that works. All right, we have EIX, we have POR, OMC, and US. POR, OMC, and US, they are not on here. Okay, so next step, my trading plan. Make sure you have a trading plan. Make sure it's written down. Looking for universe stocks. None of these are in my universe. So we're just going to start here at the top. Go through until we're out of money or until we're through the list. And I'm just looking for some reasons to not take the trade. You see here, dividend EST is blank. That is a no freaking go. Nobody stays if they don't pay rent. That's how it works. Carrier building products. You can see the PEs are too high. Going through this kind of quick, but tired. FedEx. Little arrow here. Dividends. Debt is high, but it's under our goal. PE is in the limits. 247.34 on FedEx. It goes in here roughly. These higher share price stocks definitely get the capital to use quickly, but as the account grows, it will just be 1%, just like everything else. So don't get in your head too much about that. $247.34, is that what we got? Check. Just a little tired, so I'm just kind of double checking stuff. I don't want to make an error. This is what trading way higher in the after hours. 247.34. Closing prints the same for me as it is for you. Limit order good till cancel, extended hours. Send it. Got $140 left. Back to the screener. Gentech. Auto parts. Faster than the internet. Check me out. Alright, dividends, no debt, we love that, and PEs are under the limit, so 25.17 on Gentech. And you can see there's not much to it. You don't have to overthink it or do big analysis on your stocks. It's just a system that I've created for me. I've taken pieces of what other people do, customizing it to my own personality and risk tolerance. 25.17 on the closing print. Limit order good till cancel. Extended hours. Ship it. So got $115. Let's go back to the screener and see if we can pick anything else up. I'm not saving any money. I don't care how much money we just put into the markets. Just follow the system. We will get more money. We have a deposit every week. That's how it works. We already did Murphy. Polaris, we've been looking at this one. It's got a problem. Fees are dead, I think. It's got a problem. There's something wrong with it. PEs are way too high. Packaging Corp. There's something wrong with this one too. PEs are way too high. You can see it right here very quickly. Shoe. It's been a while since we took this one, but we have traded Shoe before. Dividends. Debt is almost non-existent. I like that. And the PEs just barely fit. So if you add these up, divide by 2, you will be under 15. 38.32 for Shoe. Actually had a little bit of activity today. It's pretty nice. Do a lot of sitting around waiting. Now we're more aggressive with the money to work. And that is your sole goal, is to intelligently put the money to work and then let the market do the rest. 32. Limit order good till cancel. Extended hours. Nice and easy, right? We still have $77 left, but mostly we're in the markets. For a little big picture, also understand that the market is chopping around, but it really doesn't have movement. We have in a range here, a high and a set low. We're kind of just going sideways. While this loads up, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe here. You need to share this with your friends. You really do. Everybody needs to be involved in the stock market, especially if inflation continues as it has. It's the only way out. So, also remember, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not licensed or anything. I'm not telling you what to do. This is what I'm doing, just working a normal job and to help fund the charity I'm trying to start. So maybe it's not going to load. I don't know. Let's see if we can do a little refresh here. We'll just cut it off here. It's already been a long enough video, but thanks y'all for watching. Oh, there it comes. There we go. So nice sideways. So you can see the dotted line where we're at, but basically we're the same price as we were on November the 8th, and it's February. So it's just a lot of sideways. You know, we've had an up and down or whatever, but we're kind of in this range, right? From the highs to the lows. We've just kind of been doing this. So understand that all the trading profits we pull out is true alpha against the markets. And so when the market leaves us behind a little bit, this is kind of where we catch up. So hopefully that makes sense to y'all. Hopefully this is helpful to you. If it is, let me know down below. Hit me with a like on your way out. We'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.